In this video, I will show to change language and theme in Perplexity AI tool. Here you can go and type Perplexity AI, then open this website. Now click here this button, sign in. Then you can easily create your account with Apple, with Google account. So click here continue with Google. Then select the Gmail account. After that, click here continue button. Then scroll down. After that, click here get started. Here you can skip these options. Continue with free account. Scroll down. Then no thanks. Account is ready. Now how you can change the default language? Just you can go here and select the language. So let me scroll down. These are the possible languages. For example, let me activate this one. Here you can see Spanish language is activated. Now you can go back and then activate the English language. So let me select this one. That's done. Now you can change the theme. Go to appearance, then light theme, dark theme. Okay, that looks perfect.